Tiripoua is all around about Taranaki Iwi, the settlement journey, and really just marking annually that particular kaupapa. For us, should I say, Tiripoua is always evolving. What we've always tried to do is to make our kaupapa all about wānau, so taranakitanga, whiria te muka, bringing everybody together, but also being able to give whānau an opportunity to be able to see it in action. So it's all around about bringing our wānau together here at home and just celebrating who we are as whānau.
So Tiripoua has just been it's been a day that we've acknowledged as when we went through settlement and settled back in 2016 and 2017. We had the first Tiripoua Day. But the last 3 years we've had not been able to come together in person, so that's been great to have everybody back.
When our whānau come together, they're all a bit nervous because we don't quite know each other, all a bit anxious, especially if they haven't been home for a little while, and we've had heaps of whānau who haven't been home for a while, who've been able to connect. And just as you start to relax into the day, into the opportunity to see our spaces and engage with each other again, you just get a sense of, just natural comfort. And the wairua has been uplifting as a result of that. And I think that's probably what I'll take out of the last couple of days more than anything.
So we had in each of those wānanga spaces, what was really cool is that I wanted to be able to provide an opportunity for our tamariki, our tātarakihi, to be able to come to the pā, play on the pā and just be with their cousins and, you know, explore the papakainga itself. In our tātarakihi wānanga space, Sensei Shane, mātua Shane, amazing the way that he just connects with our tātarakihi. Really in there, making it engaging, and it even made me want to get in there and grab the taiohi, aka pool noodle, and have a bit of a go. So we had really instrumental in there with our tātarakihi. Then we also had the taiohi. What we were able to create was a tech camp, pretty much, where we had our Luna Me whānau come in and bring tech to the pā. So that was pretty exciting and really well attended as well. And then of course we had our mātua pāhake, where they went off and done a taiohi haerenga, which was really cool too. It gave them an opportunity to be able to go and explore our wāhi and reconnect hikoi whenua, and just to be able to hear the wonderful taiohi kaupapa that's being done in that space.
We've taken a very taiohi focus. As you can see, we're in the Mātua today. But yesterday we worked around some of our properties where we've been doing the nursery and putting native plants back into our coastal strips and engaging our people. So it's been a great couple of days.
Ko au he kaimahi mo te iwi ki te rōpū kaitiaki māra. So ko tō mātou mahi ko te whakatipu rākau Māori, kia whakatō ki ngā whenua tupuna ko hoki mai ki te iwi. Kei te māro parihaka, I rua nā māro konei, ko whaihua, ko ngā tipunga. Kei konei e whakatō tātou ngā kai mo ngā marae o parihaka, mo ngā whānau o katoa parihaka hoki. Ko te mahi o Tēneira, ko te tango ngā tarutaru. Kua hauhaki ngā taiwa. Karoti, tomato, atu, he te atu mea. Nainei kei te whakatō he tipu iretihi, me hini takawhakaro, Tēneira, ki konei. Koinei te tauira mo te iwi ki te kite pēhea te mahi o te māra, pēhea te mahi o ngā hua rākau. So ia wā ka tango kai, ka whakahoki kai, kia pēnei te porowhito o te mahi konei.
Big mihi to our wānau here at Pariaka Papakainga. Yeah, I'm just really proud of what we as Taranaki Iwi wānau have been able to achieve together, and I really look forward to the future and just how massive and epic it's going to be. Like, so iti iwi, if you're out there and you weren't here with us this year, make sure you're here next year and every year after, because this is for you, and yeah, it's just going to get bigger and better.